I am holding for now is this. That's what I learned. Let's bye-bye. Yay!
Base sa investigasyon ng mga polis, Martes ng gabi na mag-inuman ang mga suspect at biktima.
This is just the iPod 4. iPod 4. This is an iPod 4. This is my phone. This is just only nothing for me. I will just make videos. Just please follow me. Please, I'm begging you. I want to make money because I don't have quite all money. Oh, this. Help me I will make every 1,000 views. I don't know. I'm a Filipino, so that's okay. I'm in Philippines, so please help me get subscribers. Just please. I'm not even gonna present that is just the wallpaper. I will not show my passport. Sorry. Okay, I'm done. That is the phone I'm holding. This is all I got. But I'm a Filipino. If you don't translate Filipino, I will be English. But my favorite YouTuber is Sir Gavin. Siyempre. iOS 10. This is iOS 10. I will show you. This is iOS 10. iOS 10. So, don't ask me. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do that. Okay, bye. This is my first vlog. So please follow me, please like and share this video to someone you know. This is all. Bye.